Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your uterus strong for pregnancy, starting with foundational health. Maintaining a healthy weight significantly supports uterine function, ensuring your body is prepared. Regular, moderate exercise, like a 30-minute daily walk, boosts blood flow and overall uterine health. Focusing on a balanced diet, full of whole foods and fewer processed items, provides essential nutrients for a strong foundation. Specific nutrients play a vital role in building a strong uterus. Increasing your iron intake, found in leafy greens, lentils, and lean meats, helps prevent anemia, which is essential for healthy blood flow. Omega-3 fatty acids from sources like salmon or flaxseed reduce inflammation, supporting uterine tissue integrity. Furthermore, maintaining sufficient vitamin D levels is crucial for hormonal balance, directly impacting uterine health and receptivity for pregnancy. Beyond diet and exercise, certain lifestyle habits greatly influence uterine strength. It is critical to avoid smoking and excessive alcohol, as these can severely impair uterine function and overall reproductive health. Practicing stress management techniques, such as meditation or gentle yoga, helps regulate hormones, which directly benefits the uterus. Additionally, prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, allowing your body to repair and rejuvenate effectively. Strengthening the pelvic floor muscles is a direct way to support your uterus. Regular Kegel exercises help tone these vital muscles, improving uterine support and blood flow. Incorporating pelvic tilts into your routine can also enhance circulation to the entire pelvic region, benefiting uterine health. Gentle yoga poses, such as the cat-cow stretch, increase flexibility and help create a more receptive environment for pregnancy, promoting overall well-being. While these steps offer a strong foundation, always consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice. They can provide essential medical screenings and address any specific pre-existing conditions or concerns you may have, ensuring your safety. Remember, consistency in adopting these healthy practices, from diet to exercise and stress management, is truly key. Building a strong uterus is a journey, and with dedication, you can significantly enhance your chances for a healthy pregnancy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.